Consent.
It's not a word.
It's a complete sentence.
No means no.
Yes, it's important.
Definitely yes.
It's important for both men and women.
If it's a maybe, it's still a no.
सहमति का मतलब है सम्मान.
When it comes to sexual relationship, do you think it's important for both the genders to take each other's consent?
Absolutely. For a very, pleasant, harmonious relationship, we need consent in every area.
So here consent is not the legal one of permission. Here it is one of where I'm able to put you at ease, you're able to put me at ease, and then we are both consensually getting into a particular. So yes, consent is very important.
Is it important to take consent even after marriage for sex?
Yes. I don't think marriage means sex. I think marriage is a very societal sort of setup. I don't think marriage has anything to do with sex, married or unmarried, dating or not dating, in a relationship or not in a relationship. If you have your sexual partner, it's really important to take consent.
100%. Which for so many centuries has, youth women especially, in this particular field I'm talking about, are taken for granted. It's like, okay, now that you're married and this is how it is. And when a man is asking for it, it's okay. But I think it's very important for this particular situation to change.
शादी के बाद तो एक संबंध अपना रिश्ता बन गया. उसमें तो आप जब औरत की या मर्द की दोनों की एकता से होता है. अब मान लो एक मिनट के लिए कि औरत कहे नहीं, मर्द कहे, उसमें नहीं होता, दोनों के मिलन से होता.
Even in a marriage, there has to be consent. It's not always what the man wants.
अगर सहमति नहीं होगी तो फिर लाइफ में लड़ाई झगड़े बढ़ जाएंगे.
A little bit.
Why do you say a little bit?
Sometimes it depends on mood, on sometimes having mood, like फीमेल पार्टनर हमारी जो है वो कह रही है या मेल का मूड नहीं है, तो हो सकता है हमें ज़रूरत है मैरिज के बाद भी. हमें लगता है कि नहीं होना चाहिए क्योंकि मैरिड हैं, लेकिन नहीं, हमें पूछ लेना चाहिए एटलीस्ट एक बारी.
How important is male consent?
I mean, till now the main focus point on everyone's world is female consent. No one's really looked into that or spoken about it, but I would say it's equally as important. Sometimes it goes the other way around where it's more from the woman's side and less on the guy's side, but I would say both sides are equally important in terms of consent.
In sexual terms,
No, just consent.
consent is like, asking before you do anything, before you make a move, you have to ask. It's like a permission between like two individuals.
What is consent for you?
Consent is respect. Consent is important. Consent is essential.
Consent is just, it's not ambiguous, it's one basic question. If it's a yes, it's a yes. If it's a no, it's a no. If it's a maybe, it's still a no.
Basic and primary right to say yes or no. It is not something that you can, take for granted.
The approval of both the parties to agree on something.
Somebody is requesting something of me, I have to fully show that I'm interested in it.
The simplest words, consent is a clear yes.
It's a clear yes?
It means a clear yes or a clear no.